What's up, fam? Alright, so today we have some great news. Alright, I didn't buy this. My wife bought this for me. And thank you. You know, I really appreciate her for buying this for me. I've been scoping it out, but I'm like, nah, you know, I can't get it right now at the time. You know, just because like I've been, you know, I just switched my job and kind of, I've been going through a lot of stuff, you know, this past week. So guess what she got me? I'm pretty sure you guys already know due to the title, but bam, this thing right here. Now we're gonna do a quick unboxing. You guys do know that all my videos, probably except like the first 10 from my channel or first 5, it always has been with the GoPro Hero 7, but this time we're upgrading to the 9, and let's check it out. So we're gonna check this out. Freaking first unboxing that I've probably ever done besides car parts is actually my stuff that I use for vlogging. So we're gonna open up the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So let's see how it looks. I like how it doesn't come out in this plastic packaging no more. It comes in this nice, like, beautiful to-go box. Like you could take this anywhere. Like, even though if you don't package it, you could just, you know, have it on your stick or whatever. But man, this packaging is great. This is like the packaging that you would buy on freaking Amazon or something, so you could carry your camera around. Now that's one thing of GoPro that they provided. I love that how they did that. Now let's open it up. Bam. So this is the simple package. You get your Type-C charger. Cool. I lost my first Type-C within like a couple of days. A huge battery. This is way bigger than the last freaking, you know, GoPro Hero 7. Some mounts. You get one mount, I think. Yeah, you get a full-size mount, 3M tape. Those suckers never come off. And then you get your little screw on. And then we get the camera itself. I probably shouldn't be touching this since my hands are dirty. And that's pretty much it on this side, but I'm gonna keep this in here. Alright. So the best feeling ever is, man, just taking this damn plastics off. Like, it's the greatest feeling ever. So we're gonna take the first plastic off, however you take this off. I don't even know how. Let's just slide it off. Nice. So you got your nice packaging. You got your back screen. I might just leave that on here. Nah, let's take it all off. So this screen is way bigger compared to the 7. I don't have an 8, so I can't compare it to an 8. And then we got the front screen right here. We got the camera. We got the camera lens. I do know that they're interchangeable. Not interchangeable. Interchangeable. So if you don't like the way this one looks, I know they have like a fisheye or wide lens or whatever they have. You know, you go ahead and buy that. You got the power button. It looks like they switched it from the sides from compared to the 7. The 7 was on this side. And you got the power button, which is huge. And you got these, let me see, there we go. These are cool. I like how they stick out like this. You can just tuck them away, especially for people that are just holding the camera. What else do we got? How do you open? I don't even know how to open this, to be honest. How do you open this? Alright, so I figured out how to open it. You just slide this way and it comes out. And then you got your battery that goes in there. Let's go ahead and throw a battery in. You got your SD slot that's like right there. And let's see how this battery goes right here. I don't know if it's charged. So if it is charged, thank you GoPro for charging it. Damn, that was nice. That just clicks on really easy. And let's power it on. I hope it's charged. No, it's not charged. Let's charge it up real quick. Oh, never mind. It is charged. Okay, nice. Alright, okay, GoPro. There we go. We got English for sure. We're English. Buy and use GoPro. Agree to terms. Just agree. I don't use the GoPro app. Skip setup. I never use that. Today's date. Today's oh, I love this nice big screen. Today's the 22nd, I believe. whenever I post this video. It should be the 22nd. If not, I'll change it later. 2020. And it is, what time is it? $5:26. By the time I find this, it's gonna be 27 p.m. Not 24 hours. Damn. Ah, so hard. There we go. Check. Damn, we're at 9%. So we don't have an SD slot. Damn, I don't even know what that snail is. Whatever that is. Oh, slow-mo. That's crazy. We'll take that off. 10W60, 1080W60. You know, that's kind of how I have it. I like having it. You know, you custom cinematic. You got your 4K linear, slow-mo, standard, activity. Now this is nice. Oh, you could edit this hyper smooth 8. Damn, what else do you want? This is perfect compared to any other GoPro that I've like handled. I've had the ones before the 7. I thought the 7 was a big upgrade, but I purchased the 7 probably like a couple months after it came out. So this 9, oh my god, this, oh snap, I could see myself. Hi guys, I'm pretty sure y'all looking at me. This is nice. I forgot about the front view camera. This is awesome. All right, fam. So I like this new freaking camera, man. This Hero 9 is gonna make a big difference to the channel. Thank you a lot. You know, thanks for my wife buying this. I need to bring that beeping noise down because when I'm out in public, that stuff is loud. But this came out nice. I loved it. You know, Hero 9 is a big difference compared to the other ones coming out. I'm gonna put this back in there. Put that in there. This charger. However this went. All right, let's see what they gave us here though. So we got the subscribe to GoPro Unlimited, no questions asked camera replacement. I would do that if you guys buy that warranty that GoPro provides. That's like a big go because like I says right here, no questions asked, they'll do it. Just show, oh, I should have looked at this on how to open it. But these are the instructions, simple instructions. Same thing for the back, shows you where to mount it. I already have those mounted on my helmet. A bunch of questions, owner's manual. If you guys want to read through the owner's manual, but most likely you guys will find all this information on YouTube. There's someone always posting it, someone always showing information on how to do this. So like I said, new videos coming up with the GoPro Hero 9. So more quality, you know, better for me. Had you guys all sucked up in a suction cup on here in the fridge. All right, so if you guys like this video, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, and peace out.